In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Manychat on Instagram. We'll walk through the exact screens inside Manychat so you can connect your Instagram account quickly and confidently. First, open your Manychat dashboard and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is your control center, and starting here helps confirm you're in the right workspace for the brand you want to connect. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Settings. Inside Settings, locate the Channels section. Channels is where you manage each messaging platform that Manychat can talk to. Choose Instagram from the list. This page is dedicated to the Instagram connection, and it's where you'll complete authorization. Click Connect. You'll see an option to connect via Meta. Select that. Manychat uses Meta's secure login to link your Instagram, so a new window will guide you through permission prompts. When the Meta window appears, sign into the appropriate account and continue. Be sure you pick the Instagram profile you intend to automate, along with the correct associated Facebook page if prompted. It helps to double-check the handle and page name so your messages go to the right place. Approve the requested permissions so Manychat can receive DMs, send replies, and access basic profile details. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Manychat. Click Save, then choose a plan and continue. Plans determine contact limits and advanced features. If you're just getting started, select the option that matches your current needs. You can always upgrade later. That's it for the connection. From here, your Instagram channel is live inside Manychat, ready for automations, keywords, and growth tools whenever you're ready to build. If something doesn't appear during setup, a quick refresh or signing into the correct Meta profile usually solves it, and ensuring pop-ups are allowed will help the login window open smoothly. Thanks for watching. Follow along with these steps, and your Instagram will be connected to Manychat in minutes.